Hello everyone. So today's tutorial is going to show you how to find internships and using the notifications to find internships on Handshake. So first you can go to my JCC page and click on Handshake. Once you do, you'll be prompted to log in if you haven't already. I'm going to just go straight in, thankfully. So this is the home page of Handshake. As you can see, I am an engineering science major, so I am getting stuff for engineering. But for the purposes of this video, you would go to jobs, the jobs tab on the side. Then once you do that, we'll show you this jobs tab section. If you do have a Handshake profile, it should start giving you related jobs related to your industry. But for this time, we're going to look for internships. So we're going to click the right internships. If you do want to work remote or on site, there is that filtered search over here. But if you do want to work on site, you can do Jamestown or wherever you want, wherever your location is. Jamestown, and it should pop up. Click on it, select the distance that you want, show results, and you can see the internships available on Handshake, which you can apply for. The description of the job is here. Um, you can ask even an AI about the role, the description of the employer, and you can apply on using this button, put in your resume, it'll be prompted. But if what you're looking for isn't here, you can use this new Handshake feature, which will notify you if any new jobs come. So if any new jobs and you want to be the first one to land it, you can toggle this and you'll be the first one to hear about it. Thank you very much.